Welcome back to another video. Today we got a new item, Harbor Freight from Harbor Freight. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tour reviews, to deals. Alright, we're here at the harborfreight.com. Basically, we're going to be looking at the new items here. Alright, the first one we have is the Franklin 4-in-1 convertible hand truck for $149. Let's look at it. Seems like a really nice hand truck, by the way. Looks like it does have these handles. I guess you can attach them to the back and pretty much make it into a little wagon or a little cart. Yeah, and this one too, I guess you can put it this way, maybe like that. It says 1,000 pound capacity. Okay, well this is certainly some more information here. It says 41 convertible hand truck, be used upright, a sturdy capacity truck converted into seconds, rugged platform constructed from lightweight aluminum durable steel. Right, 800 pound capacity vertical position, 1,000 pound capacity in horizontal. Yeah, so it is 800 in the regular position, and it is 1,000 pound with the 4 wheels. Non-marrying solid rubber wheels. Converts quickly and easy. Ergonomical design and maneuver. So weighs, yeah, it's pretty lightweight. 38 pounds. Alright, the next one they have 300 pound capacity heavy truck. Looks just like the old one, but without the air tires. This is probably airless tires. Let's look at the bottom. It says 800 pound capacity truck design. They use high quality construction, heavy duty gauge beveled plate, provides reliable durability. Okay, super high quality construction, heavy gauge bevel plate, 9.75 flat. Yeah, like I said, flat. They look like flat free. Pretty much it's just like the old one, but the flat free tires, which is a great item. And $59.99, I'm pretty sure they will come out with the coupon for that too. This is another new item. I will come out with, I already have this, by the way. I have this. I will come out with the video. I still have to do the video on it, video review. But yeah, this is the 3-outlet 2 USB rapid charging wall adapter for just under $10. It's not. It looks like not a bad deal, you know, because it's only $10 basically. You go somewhere else, you spend a lot more than that. But seems like it does have some sort of protection right there. 2.1 amp and a 1 amp and 3 outlets there. Yeah, you can connect multiple devices. Try to go fast so you guys won't be. Yeah, we've seen this at the stores before. They compare themselves to SATA. But yeah, Black Widow against SATA. And it's $199.99, so I'm pretty sure there will be coupons out for that. This is HVOP, and this is the HTE gravity feeder. Yeah, there's two different ones, but same price. Look just about the same. We got the 5-gallon, 1.6 horsepower, 225 psi oil-free professional air compressor, $399.99. So this is the one I was talking to you guys about in my last videos. This is Fortress 5-gallon. Okay, let's see here. Let's look at these pictures. Oh wow, this is nice. It's real nice, and it has those big wheels so you can carry it around like a dolly. And it does fold real compact. Big wheels there, and you got some nice gauges there. Yeah, it's beautiful. And high pressure performance. High performance 78 dBA operation, up to 50% quieter, high pressure technology, high PSI, 5-gallon tank, providing benefits of 19-gallon. So it does, I guess it provides the efficiency of a 19-gallon at 125 PSI. The smaller design, easy to start technology, motor temperature. Wow, nice. So a free air pump, no maintenance operation. Looks like a real nice high quality compressor there. And then we got the big one here, the 27 gallon 200 psi oil-free compressor, $459.99. Like I said, don't be scared about these prices. Most likely they'll come out with coupons and they'll lower the price. The bear did it looks like the bear did a video here, and he was comparing them. So always go check out the Den of Tools. We'll play that. We'll play a little bit because he's always after me playing his videos. So
it's Red, your friendly neighborhood tool bear, back again here at the Den of Tools. And today we're here to talk about a new item snuck into the latest flyer and actually now showing up online at Ye Olde Harbor Freight. And that is the Fortress 27-gallon compressor.
So he's gonna go in depth more into this, from this compressor. He's gonna go into more of the detail of the features and everything. So go check him out. The Den of Tools. Don't forget to like and subscribe. All right. Next thing we have a welder. It's a 80 amp inverter arc welder, $159.99. I'm not really a welding person, so I'm not really familiar with welding, but it is one of the lower costs. Chicago Electric. It's always an entry level welders. And then we have the titanium. This is like your mid grade. They look real nice. It says titanium easy flux, 125 amp welder for $199.99. Looks really nice from the outside. They compare it to the Lincoln. Tells you the features: continuous control, fine tuning welding, DC output for the most stable welding arc, smoothest bead. Profile 50% lighter, only weighs 15 pounds. Inverted technology, lighter weight, more efficient. Tech standard 4-inch poles, spoles, shoulder strap included, overload protection. If you guys want to read that, you guys could feel free to go to harborfreight.com and go click on the new tools, and you'll see those new features there. You got the 350-pound capacity welding cart. Looks really nice. Really well designed for all the hoses and stuff. And 2 handles there, 4 casters, or 2 casters and 2 regular tires in the back, or non-flat, flat-free tires. Then a compartment on the bottom, I guess. Let's look at got some chains there, I guess. Nice. And then the next item we have some sort of wood burner. If you guys know what this is for burning wood, I guess, making those designs. 30 watts 5-in-1 hobby wood burner. So it's making designs, I guess, on the wood. If you want to do something, I guess. I gotta check this out. Looks like you got some sort of different types of tips there, and $8.99 for that. And then we got a 10-inch heavy-duty generator wheel kit. So we got wheels, some rubber feet there, and a handle for $49.99. Okay, we got a Franklin hands-free portable workstation with 1-ton clamping force, $119.99. This looks really nice. It says designed for effortless portability and storage, hands-free, operating via foot pedal, 1-ton clamping force, securing and stabilizing workload, auto locking legs for quick setups, 37-inch clamp extension width, it fits standard size store. Got some pictures down here. That's how it is folded, so it is a nice compact design. Wow, it looks really nice. And I guess you can put your feet there to clamp everything in place, I guess. Nice. So you don't even have to use your hands to clamp it in place. You can just use your feet. Sometimes you'll be carrying a big load there. Anyways, seems like a great item to have. You got a 6-bit impact screwdriver set with the case. So this is going to be, I would say this could be like your old school impact. If you don't have an impact driver, you can buy this, $8.99. Pretty much all you do is hammer it on the back, I guess. Break loose any rusty frozen screws, bolts with ease using this hard-hitting impact driver tap. Impact driver screw handle with hammer and quick, yeah. Just like it says, an impact driver, a handheld impact driver. No batteries required. So if your impact driver runs out of the batteries, or if you're in a place where you don't have an impact driver, you get this loose. All you have to do is just have a hammer or a big rock and just hit it on the back. And then you got the one-step folding stool. I gotta get myself one of these. You know, my mom, she's older and she really has a hard time getting into my truck. I do have side steps, but still the side steps sometimes are a little higher for her. So I'll see if I can stop by, grab myself one of these. Get up to 300 pounds, support better reach on this one-step folding stool under $10. That's not a bad deal. It only weighs 2.8 pounds. Nice. Product length 10 inches. Product height 15 inches. So it's 15 inches off the ground. Yeah, folds into a flat device there. Alright, next one. We have a lot today. I'm just trying to go quick here because apparently we have a whole lot of new items here. 200 mile per hour compact workshop blower to only $49.99. This is, like it says right there, it's only for the workshop. But a lot of, you know what, a lot of people are using these for if you're gonna cook with charcoal and in a grill or something like that. A lot of people use these to turn on the charcoal. You know, you don't have to blow on it with the cardboard or anything like that. You have just pull this out and turn it on. I seen that on TV and on a few videos. Yeah, they're finally here, guys. If you guys haven't seen my other video where I see all these tool carts and then all the accessories on them, just different colors. They got all colors now for all the different accessories. They got what's this first one? U.S. General magnetic spray can and screwdriver holder. Nice. Same thing with that. This magnetic tray with screwdriver holder. It's about the same thing without the cans. Then we got the paper towel holder in different colors. And then we got the magnetic glove tissue dispenser. So you get yourself two of these, one for the tissue and one for the gloves. So they got all those accessories for you guys. Alright, we got the 1/4 cutoff wheel arbor die grinder. $5.99. That's for this thing here for the chief, I guess. This is a new one. They just upgraded the old one. I have the older one. What is it, Centec or something like that. 20 to 1 infrared laser thermometer with color arms. $59.99. So it's just like the old one. Mine works pretty good. They just beefed it up a little bit. You got the bubble wrap. So if you're gonna send something in the mail, I guess now they do have bubble wrap. $5.99 if you want to send a gift over the mail. And then you got replacement cart tire, and a wheel. So I guess we have a replacement out for the carts. Says here replacement wheel fits any of the carts, yards, or tractor trailers that use. Okay. So we gotta check this out, see what this fits, cause I don't know exactly what they're talking about. It says trailers that use a for, maybe it's just for the, no, it's not for the trailers. Yeah. because I have a trailer. Might take something like that. Anyways. Alright, next item here. We got the folding wagon. Like I said on my previous video, I'm not really a fan of this thing because the design, these wheels stick out a little bit too much on the back and the front. However, you might like it, you know, that's just my opinion. Little flimsy here. There's no structure here or to hold it in place. All you have the top hold, where you're actually pulling it from the top, from this this thing here. So I don't know how that would work on the long run. Might be a good quality. Who knows? I couldn't tell you guys because I haven't used it. Tires look pretty big. I'll tell you guys something. Costco does sell some of these, and they're around the same price. So if you guys planning on buying one of these or already have one of these, let me know in the comments what you think about it. That's the way it folds, I guess. Yeah, those are big tires there. Yeah, see, that's what I don't like. The tires on the back sticking out. For $100. And then we got the basic OBD2 scanner reader, $29.99. This is gonna be for your household. Just a basic tool here, scan tool, something low cost. And this is a 3-in-1 convertible hand truck, just like the other one, but this is the 3-in-1. This is not a 4-in-1, and it's $139.99. And then you got the Bauer vacuum for $44.99. It's mostly for your lighter duty. Does come with attachments. Yeah, I would definitely treat this as a lighter duty shop vac, or you know, just a household vac. Not really rigid, you know, type. Rigid's vacuums are really good, powerful vacuums. This is the titanium drill bit set, 17 piece, $19.99. Look pretty decent. I gotta try with some of these out. They need to lower the cost though, because there's a lot of cheaper deals out there for DeWalt's. And so Harbor Freight, if you're listening, look at your competitors. There's a lot of good deals. Milwaukee, DeWalt. US General 5 outlet heavy duty black magnetic power strip metal housing, 2 USB ports. So they include 2 USB ports on this. Yep, right here. $27.99. And I guess you could use it on your toolbox there. Put out your chargers. Or you could put it on the side, which is nice. Wow, this is nice. We needed this. $27.99 for that. Alright, the next item we have is the 2-port USB car adapter, $7.99. It's Armstrong. You know what, guys? I have the battery. I just did a review on the battery. I'm actually surprised on the quality of that thing. I will have to do a follow-up video for that battery power bank. Seems like all the Armstrong stuff is pretty good quality. So this I would think this is good quality too. This is the 10 amp 4-inch by 24 variable speed belt sander for $99.99. We need a battery operated belt sander. We don't need a corded belt sander. This is just my opinion. But yeah, definitely we need a battery operated. And these are the older ones. You guys seen them already in the stores probably. I need to give myself one of these. I like just to, you know, not be able to pull out your drill, just have something in the kitchen or somewhere in the office. You have the video for this. I already did the review. Works pretty good. At least on the tires, I did the review. I did the unboxing and review. I'll see if I can link that up above. If not, just look at a Toolhead 147 inflator.